Hello everyone, welcome back to Array Blog once again. In the last video, we explore JavaScript operator from arithmetic to logical and even list coalescing, right? So today we will clear up some simple but super important fundamental of JavaScript, that is expression versus statement, comments and template literals, right? So let me create a file that's a exp so that is basically statement st.js. Yeah, and so what we're going to do, first thing we are going to learn about expression and statements. So first let's understand the difference between expression and statements, two terms that confuse almost every beginner. So so the first one is expression. So an expression is anything that produce a value, right? So for example, produce a value, we can write 10 plus 5. It produces a value that is 15, right? And if you want to learn in another term, it's a hello. You can say hello. You can say array, right? It also produces array block. And if you write x equals to 10, it basically assign and returns 10. So you can use expression inside another expression or even inside a function. Example, you can say console.log and say 5 multiply by, that is 2 plus 2 plus 3, right? And say 25. So let's run it and see. It's a node. We'll say xpstat.js, got the 25. So this is expression, right? Now let's move to the statement. So comment down first. Statement, right? So a statement perform an action and it tell JavaScript to do something. For example, let a equals to say 10. This is a statement, right? And we say if a is greater than 5, right? We can say console dot log. We can say that is greater than 5. So this is a statement. Think of it like this: expression is value and statement is action. So every program in JavaScript is a combination of both. So let's run it and see. Say greater than 5. Now the second part is basically comments. So comments are notes you leave in your code. I mean, they don't run but help you help you or other to understand what's happening. So for example, we run here expression, but we don't write the comments, right? So we don't know what we are doing here. And here we have written a statement. So now we know this is what statement look likes. And you can write in a single line. This is single line comments. You can also write the multi-line comments, like so. This is you can write like this. This is an expression. So this is multi-line comment. This is single line comment, right? So use comment to explain why you wrote something, not what you wrote, because good code should already be self-explanatory. The third part we are going to learn here, that is template literals. Now, one of the coolest ES feature, and I love this template literals. So basically, yeah, it is one of the coolest features. So before ES6, string concatenation was very painful, and let's see how the old one does, and now how we do now. So before ES6, still say template literals, right? So let name to, and we'll say let is equals to 25, right? Now if you have to combine this, the old one, right? So it's a console log, and it's a welcome array log. This is what you have to do, and then this is you have to write here. Say plus. Don't have to write this, and we'll say plus. We have to write name, right? And then we are going to write something. I am this year old. We can say plus. We can say age, right? So this is what we do in before ES6. Both, but with the template literals, we can write cleaner and more readable string using backticks. So let me show you. So console.log, and we are going to use backticks. So we'll say, let me just copy this. No, let me welcome to, and this is we are going to say name, and I am age, right? Year old. So let me comment it here. 4S6. And this is after 6, right? Now just see how easier it is to understand, how easy it is to read. Support also multi-line string, and lets you embed expression inside a string. You can also do, right? Suppose if you declare a some price and you want to discount, you want to do multiplication, you want to subtract that price from discount, you can do that in the expression. Basically you can do this inside the string, right? So let's run it and see we got both, right? And see, this is how easier it is, right? To write with the help, write a string with the help of template literals, right? So let's quickly, and that's it for the today video. So let's quickly recap. First we learn expression. So expression is basically it produce some values, and the second one is statements. It basically perform actions. Action means basically you are saying something to do to the JavaScript. And the fourth one is comments. It make your code readable, and it is important to whatever you are writing and why you are writing that. It is easy. It is very helpful to write that why you are doing that. And then template literals, it modern way to, or we can say clean way to write string, and it is very good things, right? In it is the one of the best feature we can say in ES6 for the strings, right? So now you understand some of the most overlooked yet essential part of JavaScript. In the next video, we'll move into something that really practical, JavaScript control flow, that is if else switch loop, and that's make your code smarter and dynamic. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comments. Which part of the video help you most? Mine is definitely template literals. So thanks for the watching, and I will see you into the next one. Thank you.